Okay, we're going to practice the substitution method. On your worksheet, you have 3 questions written, numbers 1, 2, 3 right next to each other. I kind of spaced it out here. You have plenty of space to space yours out as well. The first one, we have y equals 3 and 2x plus 3y equals 5. Now the first step is to get x or y by itself in either equation. Well, the first equation, we already have y equals 3. Y is by itself. Alright, and we have the value for y. The value for y is 3. So right away we're halfway to our final answer. Okay, we're going to take that 3 and we're going to sub it in for y in the other equation. So now we have 2x plus 3 times 3 equals 5. Let's simplify this. 2x plus 9 equals 5. Solve for x. So get rid of the 9 first. And we have 2x equals negative 4. Divide by 2. And we get x equals negative 2. So here's our answer, negative 2, 3. Okay, if you want to check it, remember we can plug both x and y into one of the equations. Now I would select this equation because this one right here does not have an x value. Alright, so 2 times negative 2 plus 3 times 3 equals 5. Negative 4 plus 9 equals 5. Yep, we got it right. Second one, we have y equals 2x plus 4 and y equals 3x minus 1. Now, in both equations, we have y by itself. So if y equals 2x plus 4, use a different color, 2x plus 4, and y equals 3x minus 1, then 2x plus 4 will equal 3x minus 1. Okay? Because y equals y. Y is the same thing. So if y equals this and y equals this, then they equal each other. Alright, solve for x. Let's subtract 4. It cancels out. We have 2x minus 3x. 2x equals 3x minus 5. Now since we canceled out the number from this side, we have to cancel out the variable over on the right side. The variable is 3x, so let's cancel out 3x. Whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So we have negative 1x equals negative 5. Therefore, x equals 5. Alright, so our answer has 5 for x. Okay, we're going to take that 5 and we're going to take one of the equations. I'm going to choose this one right here. Y equals 2x plus 4. Let's extend the page here so we can write. Alright, and we know x equals 5. So we're going to take that 5 and plug it in for x. Y equals 2 times 5 plus 4. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 4. We get y equals 14. So our answer is 5, 14. Alright, and you could go ahead and check it. Plug 14 in for y in either equation and plug in 5 for x in either equation and see if it comes out to be the same on both sides. Let's go to number 3. Okay, y is solved for in the second equation, and we know that y equals 2x plus 1. So we're going to take that 2x plus 1 and we're going to plug it in for y in the other equation. 2x, taken from here, 2x plus 3y, or 3 times 2x plus 1, just right here, because we know y equals that, equals -5. Solve for x. Okay, this is one of our tougher algebraic problems. Distribute first. I'm going to bring that down. 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 1 is 3. And that equals -5. We have to now combine like terms because we have like terms on the same side of the equation. Bring down the plus 3. Okay, solve for x, so we're going to subtract 3. Subtract 3. 8x equals -8. Divide by 8. Divide by 8. X equals -1. So the x value is -1. Okay. Now we could take either equation and plug in -1. We have to solve for the y value, and we have y by itself here, so why not use this problem? Y equals 2x plus 1. We're going to plug in -1 here for x. Y equals -2 plus 1. Y equals -1. So our answer is -1, -1. Remember, this represents where these two lines intersect. Okay, good luck with the practice. If you need help, come see me.